In this video, I'll show you how to use lookup fields in Airtable step by step. You'll need a linked record field already set up between two tables, and those records need to be actually linked together. The lookup field will only pull data from connections that exist. Click the plus button at the far right end of your field header row to add a new field. The field type selection menu will appear. Search for and select lookup. A configuration window will open. Click the drop-down icon under Select Lookup Source and choose the linked record field you want to use. This tells Airtable which relationship to navigate through. Next, click the drop-down under the field you want to look up and select your preferred field from the linked table. This could be name, status, or any other field available from that table. If you want to filter which records get included, toggle on Only include linked records that meet certain conditions. When you do, conditional statement options will appear. In the Where section, specify your criteria, for example, to show only active suppliers. Set it to retrieve records where the active field is enabled. You can also limit how many items show up by toggling Limit the number of items shown and setting a maximum number. Once you've configured everything, click Create Field at the bottom of the window. The lookup field will appear in your table with data from the linked table now visible in that column. Here are 3 things to keep in mind. First, the lookup field updates automatically whenever the data in the linked table changes. Second, if you have multiple linked records, the lookup will concatenate the values and separate them with commas. Third, if you need to change that comma separator or perform calculations on the looked up data, use a rollup field instead. That's how to set up and use lookup fields in Airtable.